Unlocking the power of GIS, the magic behind your maps. Ever wondered how Google Maps finds the fastest route to your destination, even accounting for traffic jams, roadblocks, or accidents in real time? It's all thanks to GIS. GIS, or Geographic Information System, is a powerful tool that captures, stores, and visualizes geographic data on your screen. Think of GIS as your digital brain. It doesn't just store maps, it analyzes and models real-world locations and patterns. It blends hardware, software, data, methods, and people to make sense of complex geographic info all at once. GIS lets you layer different info like satellite images, population, roads, and environment to spot patterns and make decisions. Picture a city planner using GIS to find the best spot for a new hospital, blending data on population, traffic, and land use. It's not just location. It's logic and layers working together to tell a bigger spatial story. These layers represent features like roads, rivers, buildings, soil, or vegetation, each revealing a piece of the puzzle. Stack them all up, and you get a powerful story told by geography itself. GIS handles two main data types. First up, vector data. Think points, lines, and polygons like roads and boundaries. Next, raster data. That's grid-like information like satellite images or elevation models, pixel by pixel. GIS lets you do cool things like buffer zones, overlay analyses, and network routing to solve real-world problems. From helping farmers optimize crops to guiding disaster response teams, GIS changes the game across fields. Public health uses GIS too, like tracking disease outbreaks or planning vaccination drives efficiently. Modern platforms like ArcGIS and QGIS bring GIS to your fingertips, integrating AI, remote sensing, and live data streams. Imagine real-time traffic updates, environmental sensors, and satellite data all working together seamlessly. That's GIS magic. GIS turns raw geographic data into clear, actionable insights, empowering you and experts to make smarter choices. So next time you check your map or see a heat map online, remember the incredible tech behind it, GIS. Curious to see GIS in action? Dive deeper, explore tools, and start uncovering your own spatial stories today.